Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Airbnb account using two-factor authentication, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable two-factor authentication on your Airbnb account, start by logging into your Airbnb account. Enter your email address and password in the designated fields. Once you are logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the security or privacy section on the settings page. Find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter your mobile phone number if it's not already linked to your account. Provide a valid phone number where you can receive text messages. Select your preferred method of receiving the authentication code. You can usually choose to receive a code via SMS or through an authentication app. If you choose SMS, click on the option to send a verification code. Check your phone for a text message from Airbnb. Enter the verification code you received in the designated field on the website. If you opted for an authentication app, follow the instructions provided to link the app to your Airbnb account. Once you've completed the setup, confirm that two-factor authentication is active. To log in the future, enter your email and password as usual. After logging in, you will receive a prompt asking for the authentication code. Retrieve the code from your SMS or authentication app. Input the code into the designated field on the Airbnb login page. If the code is correct, you will be logged into your account. Take care to keep your phone secured, as it is essential for accessing your account. Remember, if you ever lose access to your phone, you will need to follow Airbnb's recovery process. Being proactive with your account security will help protect your information. Congratulations, you've successfully set up two-factor authentication for your Airbnb account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.